guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Gab from Tech Tips for Business. For today's video, we are going to be talking about how to remove drop-down list from your spreadsheet in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. First, we are going to observe our current data on the screen. Once we click on the responses, we can see a drop-down list icon on the right side of our cell. Once you click that, a drop-down list would show up. In order to delete this, all you have to do is go to the Data tab and go to the Data Tools group and click on Data Validation. Once you do so, all you have to do is click on the Clear All button. Once you do so, go ahead and click OK. As you can see, once we click on the cell, the last value that was entered will remain, but the arrow on its side would be gone for good. Once we delete that, we can see that other cells that are still with drop-down lists aren't deleted. This is because before we did all that, we selected only one cell. To delete the other, go ahead and repeat the same steps. For this option, go to Data Validation again, click Clear All, and press OK. Same case with the first one, the last value that was left inside in the cell would remain. To completely delete the response window, all we have to do is select the cells and click on Delete. And there we have it. This is how we remove the drop-down list in Microsoft Excel.